Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix iCSee camera not connecting to Wi-Fi, network, app setup and signal troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check Wi-Fi compatibility. Make sure your camera is connecting to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. And if your router uses both 2.4 and 5 GHz, connect your phone to the 2.4 GHz network during setup. Then try connecting the camera again through the iCSee app. Fix 2. Move the camera closer to the router. Place the camera near your Wi-Fi router and remove any obstacles such as walls or metal objects. Now attempt the setup again. Fix 3. Restart your router. Turn off the router and wait for around 30 to 60 seconds. Then turn it back on and try connecting the camera. Fix 4. Reset the camera. Locate the reset button on the camera, then press and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Now wait for the reset to complete and set up the camera again. Fix 5. Check app permissions. Open your phone's settings and allow the iCSee app access to location, Wi-Fi and camera permissions. Now reopen the app and try again. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.